Hey guys, so this is gonna be a update video on the squishy tag video. So on the squishy tag video, now I've only have six questions. So and I would like to have 10 or more question to answer. Yeah, so do comment or PM me the question. Comment down below or PM me. I'm sorry, the background is like dark. Okay, and please do not ask me the same question. Okay, so I will read all the six questions so that you won't ask again. Number 1, what is your rarest squishy? Number 2, what is your biggest squishy? 3, what is my favorite squishy? 4, what squishy is the prettiest / cutest? 5, which tag of the squishy I like the most? 6, what is my latest squishy? So that's all the 6 questions that some people ask. So please do not ask me again. Okay, so do ask me anything about my squishies, as this is a squishy tag, not a normal tag. Okay, so bye guys, thanks for watching.